Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Hagasngi balang jong katayo kipat nong Shnong ka Shnong Riwang West Khasi Hills ringkat baka Jingdawa lang kasing Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association West Khasi Hills District kala penong biang ya gajingnya kenduk lang bat kinong penyat ke karkhana Sainar kebadan Riwang kabalatip kum ke MS Shri Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited banekran hakabede bagi jiran kam negi Jingdawa ka baka Shnong ka bu hakmat ketika karkhana hakadi kasngi nalor kinong yalam Shnong kidekot ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owner and Driver Association Ladan langru u Arun Jain, co-owner jong ke MS Shri Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited bat kiwe de. Nakaliang kinong ilam ke Shnong Riwang, kilaong ba nakaliang ke Dorbar Shnong jong ke Shnong Riwang, kala dawa nakade ke karkhana, ban pendap ya baro ke Jingdawa, halanishwa kalai Sngi, naduk ke Sngi bakate ke karkhana ke yo ban pedang ya ke shithi ke baka Shnong kala ai. Shu le thuru baki de kimat Jingdawa ke baka Shnong kala bu, kikenthop ya ke sub center, ke school, ke umbam umdi, ke kuat ke suba, ke thungkam thungjam, ke bayat bet yai renti, kumjuru ladawa bandit jurip lang, ya ke kuat ke suba ringkat ke jinan lang, kibor ke district, kibana ke tenat environment, bat kiwe. Kinong yalam Shnong ke Riwang, kilo ongru bahadian ke jingakran, bat namar ke jingbom kran syai jong Arun Jain, ubalami khmat na ke benda ke karkhana, ya ke ba kilo ong ba shiphang ulakam yalade ke mutrai, bat shiphang ulakentai ban long trai, kumta ke Shnong ke ladawa, ba ubadai hok utrai unwan syakamit ke jingakran, bat kat baga Shnong kampat yo ya kita ki Jingdawa ka karkhana kan omla ban pli. Arun Jain, co-owner jong ka MS Shri Shakambari Ferro Alloy Private Limited, ulaong bahagi shposnam ki balalit kinong Shnong kilong ki bejan bat ka company, bat habadon kinu ki jing la jula ban penbet no, handai hakane ka kenti, hak khatlai tarik ulaber kila shuban ringkat ki pat ba babun, bat kila dawa ban phakhang ya ka karkhana. Shu ulaong banakaliang jong ka karkhana ru kala khangno nadu ketika tarik hak bakal don kemalai tayo menta bat kamdon kenu ke jingtha ban khang ya ka karkhana do kinu ki bor handai om ban se ban shukhang na kadaw ki pat ba nong Shnong ulaong ru bahadian bala khang ya ka karkhana la persyang ru banekran ba kinong Shnong ke Riwang ban pan jingshai halor kenu rim ki pha khang ya ka karkhana hak banakaliang usorda Shnong ba kinong Shnong kimla ban a ya kadaw ka babyang balai ki pha khang ya ka karkhana handai lingba ka jingdon ki kato kani ki parlok ki belai rap ban pen syai bat pen snguth la snguth baka dei namar ki jingbom la jong karkhana ban pen udlong ya ki jingkular ha ka public hearing ulaong ru babun na kita ki jingkular ha ka public hearing lala ban pendap kata kalong kumbante lakam ya ki jingjaklia jong katadam ha ka ba nakliang jong karkhana kala penan kam da ki kor ki bala ban yada na ki jingjaklia palat jong katadam
kaba nakliang jongi kada Shnong ngadawa ya kini kimat bagi sai kupi se ka factory Riwang dekat kum kaji akan jungi ha kane ka meeting ka bamentaran kan bat kino tre jong company nakaleng jong factory kam se makran syai e yangi nagni ka Riwang haba dai bat ki ponya du ka point ban ko handu ka point ka ba drew dai nakni jong company ka suong ba ngin sa le kine ki dawa ka jongi dai parking parsim meta kan ong bangin le no ikane ko ka khek pokong san ka ba ngabu kamat ka baningkong ba kade ba ngidawa na ka factory ba kade ban bu yak we ka sob center Hapoh ju ka Shnor Riwang ki namar Hapoh Shnor pot thau jing paton wat ka we ka school ru te nak ju ka Shnor dawa na company ba kade ban bu ru yak school Hapoh ka Shnor jingin ba bangi sim jing ki khon jungi menta baro ka bangi fa school nya fa shabar ju ka Shnor Riwang ka ba lak ta sha ka ju jing sep jung ki kimi ki pa baro kam tam ka Shnor ga thau teka poin ke balai ru ke Jingdawa ke jungi na kane ka company ba kane penbiang yaki umbam umdi ban penyo maman nak truying ngin mama shu ban bu menta namar ba na ke jing pentu jakre jogne ke factory ni fly ash ke balawan ra ngi bangi ta shubu stok ka haying ru kan la shu bandi namar ba ke jing penjakre jogne fly ash kumbalong kisem ke baladep ke tungkam ka tungjam kalong ke ba itorti hadu kata-kata kitang syutung kat bamon la kibe kat bamon Reka jingkwa jungi ke dabar Shnong ru menta ba katungkam kontunjam ke deban long ke basyai aba ngitungkam ru deban long da ka jingthok ke basyai aba ngibe ru ngibe da ke basyai namar ba aba ka jingsu ke jingtedaru ke deban long ke basyai ken ha ke ba ngitungkam tungjam ke company ke deban le khut ya boro ki sau kun jong kane ke factory ke deban kularu ya kane ba ke deban le ban don kita ki storage ban bread ki jakle baro ba mi ne factory ekle jongi kadoba Shnong idang i4 ki pakde banle ekane but kadoba Shnong ka bu ke jing ke part ke factory ba ya kene kimat ki dawag jongi kinde ban poi hak chikan bat malik ada kaling jo malik muslim awan ban ekran makmat bat ngi ya kene ka Jingdawa ka Jungi ngam la ban pedeng yano bawan ban ong ba ande ban chim ka Jingba kli na uta unu tre jung u naris goyal ande ngi kwa ba naris goyal wan hi shakmat ba ka Dorbar Shnong ban keren hi dala jung utrai yakini ki mat Jingdawa ki Jungi to habede bat kene ka Jingwan jong ne I arun jong kane factory Riwang ba ka Jingwan jong ui hak ne ka por ki kren ha pedeng jongi ka Dorbar ba ki kamila de ba ngade umalik te sipang ukam de bang de malik sipang ade ngam de malik tek ba pelong ngi do warsnaru ka basolongo adu kata-kata sipang ba ini di malik da u naris goyal sipang bang ade u warun ba de malik jukni factory te pelongo ngi do warsna adu menta ba kane ka jik jongi teng kampo se to habai de ber kaneru ka do warsnong kala dawa ya ka company ka de banwan ra lang yu director ha ka bicing kra ben kar bar jong naris goyal manduk tip namar hadu menta ngi tip u director jong kane ka factory ha local director namar ba ngi patip hadu menta te kaneru ngi dawar ka Shnong ba ngi di banwan ra ya u local director tenekling ka Shnong ka de shine adu ki media ki ada bro ka krai tarik ba ada u malik umpat wan ha ka bicing kan ha ka Dorbar Shnong ruwiang ka Dorbar Shnong ka continue bet ban khang shuai ka factory anda umalik lawan ke jekran kata ngin se perkhat na kumui pat kalente
ni manjur bat ni la manjur hida barok ke Shnong ya kaba min pentri kam ya kini kam ba company kan le ya kini kam barok bat ni dawaru ba kumbang ila bu kan ke jing thok ba lakum no utrai jong kan company un pun urlong ya ni kimat jing ya kran ke jungi Hapoh jong ka life Sngi ka ba ila yo ya kaman bu
Villagers have always been pretty friendly with us for the last 10 years. Whatever problems have arisen, we have immediately solved it. This time, they simply came on the 13th of March with a huge crowd stating that shut down the industry. And they came and they create a ruckus type of a situation where all my staff people, they were all scared. And then the plant was shut down. And the plant is shut down since 13th of March. It's almost 3 weeks now. And there was no official intimation to us that we have to shut down the industry. But anyhow, we could not resist. We had to shut down, so we shut down the industry. Now, after the industry was shut down, we were trying to contact the Basti people to know why this shutdown has been asked for. And ultimately, till today, we haven't received anything official, but unofficially, we had a meeting today on my request. We just wanted to know what are the reasons for which the industry has been shut down. So it was quite, it was beyond our comprehensive power to understand why the industry was shut down. We felt without rhyme or reason, these things have been shut down. But when we asked the headmen and the village people, they could not reply as to why the industry was shut down. And ultimately, with the help of definitely a few friends of theirs, they got to give us the reasons. And the reasons are beyond the commitments made during public hearing. So there are most of the things which were committed during the public hearing has been attained, and particularly there was a big commitment for the pollution plant, which constitutes and comprises electrostatic precipitators for the power plant. We've got three such precipitators which controls the total smoke of the power plant. Then we have made a huge investment in the public this thing, pollution control device, which has costed us more than 3.5 crores of rupees. And thereafter, time and again, we maintain the pollution plants by replacing the filter bags, and the same process is still on. If anybody wants to examine, come and see, they can come and inspect what activities we are performing to maintain the pollution control. So now, whatever the demands they have put, some are really very practical, which we will definitely look into it and try to analyze. And we would request them to come sit with us, have a one-to-one talk as to how things can be put into action, curbed in a systematic manner with proper budgeting. And if it suits our end, we will definitely go for it. There are certain demands which are beyond that also, beyond the public hearing, for which we will definitely look into it, which will benefit everybody, especially the Basti people. So I'm still at a loss why the industry was shut down. And now We will try to request them to give us the permission to restart, and so that one by one we can take up all the matters related to this. And I think things should move on smoothly. And if they still insist, no, the industry will not run here, then we'll have to wind up and we will shut down the industry and we will go away. That is the last resort. If we have to take recourse to that, there will be no alternate but to go back. So now it all depends upon the Basti people and the administration as to what they want from us. And we are hopeful that it is a very small, trivial things which can be sorted out at their level only. And if given a chance, we will definitely try to solve the problems and to settle the issue with them. Though there is no such issue, we have all the alternates to curb all type of pollution, which we have been doing. We have been maintaining that, but because of certain reasons, there was a lack of, what should we say, not lack of supervision, lack of outside conditions which are beyond our control, not assisted by the people of this area, this district, for the transportation. So we had to, there was no alternate. We could not manage the way we were managing. So our fly ash that used to go to the cement industry regularly, right from the silo wherefrom we collect the dust, we put it straight to the trucks, and the truck used to go straight away. There was no pollution as such. Because of the transportation problem, we could not transport that, and that created a little problem, and which is controllable. So we will try our level best to cope up with all the conditions, and let us hope for the best.